How to manage your bio on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage your bio on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in top corner, click on it and then click view your profile. Now just click edit profile and go down. Here you will find bio, just click on it and here just delete it and you can change it to anything you want and then just click save. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.